Hello everyone. I will show you how to order Blizzard ice cream and Dairy Queen. This is the sizes: mini, small, medium, and large. The cost of the mini is $541. The small is $65. The medium is $790, and the large is $941. That is include tax. And then also the toppings for the Blizzard. This is Smarties. This is Score. This is Brownie. And this is Coffee Quest. This is Cookie Dough, Candy Cane, Peanut Butter Cup. And this is the Sugar Cane, this partner. And this is what you forgot the name for this one. I forgot the name that one. And this is the pumpkin pie. This is the partner pumpkin pie. And this is Graham base. And this is cherry, pineapple, and strawberry. And also this is a cake, chocolate extreme, and chocolate chunk. And this is a turtle. So, sa susunod na sad ako ipakita sa inyo ang paggawa ng Buster Bar at saka deliver. Okay, thank you.